Two minor Tiparsa girls were sexually assaulted by 10 boys during the Baisakhi Mela on Wednesday at Chechua, MP. An FIR was filed in the Birganj police station. On Tuesday evening, two underage girls from Rambhadra visited the Baisakhi Mela in Amarpur with their uncle. However, at around 11 p.m., the girls separated from their uncle to go meet with their Facebook friends. After the meeting, the two male Facebook friends take the girls toward Ompi on their bike. The girls soon realized that they were taken to a forest area and quickly called their uncle and explained the situation to him. Their uncle immediately informed the police about the situation. Police took an immediate action and deputed their team in search of the girls across Amarpur. Police tried calling the girls' phone but failed to connect. The two boys took them to forest in Tingoria, Ompi and sexually assaulted them along with 8 other boys. After the assault, they brought the girls back to the Baisakhi Mela at around 3 p.m. and dumped them there. The girls were immediately taken to the police station where they described the entire incident of events to the police official that led them towards the trouble of getting sexually assaulted by the 10 boys. AFIR has filed at the Birganj police station after the incident. Milarai Jamatia, resident of Chechua, MP, the mastermind of the assaulter, was arrested after FIR. The investigation of the sexual assault case of the two minors is still in the interrogation phase, says the family members and the police. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.